Mia's writing her name. Start with the M. Start with the M.
No, I want to take you.
I'm not taking a picture. I'm just going to hold the camera. Can you start with the M? Good. And the I. Make the dot over the I. Good. And the A. Yeah, Mia! Good job! What did you spell on the paper? What name did you spell? Yeah?
Look.
Wow, 2 Mias.
No. 1, 2, 3.
3 Mias?
No. 3.
3 what?
3 legs.
3 legs?
No, 3 legs.
3 names? What's the matter? Are you mad?
No.
What's wrong? Mia?